Hello, friends! Welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. Before I begin, I want to give you a small advice. If this is your first programming language, and some might be worried as to, oh my god, a long way to go, for them, I have a happy news. At the end of the day, every programming language, whether it be Python, Java, or anything else, they all perform the same task, right? They all give instructions to the computer or the machine as to what to be done. However, each programming language follows its own rules or syntax for doing that, but they all follow the same basic principles, right? When I say this, I just remember the quote of a great man. Steve Jobs said that creativity is just connecting things. In the same way, this great geniuses who found out these programming languages, they just connected the basic principles which were already existing in order to create this programming languages. So guys, it's just that syntax or rules that make each programming language unique, right? So we just need to learn that syntax or rules. And more than that, you want to love this magic of programming, that everything is going to be fine, guys. Now you might be wondering as to, oh my god, I came here to just learn Python and she is going on giving me advice, right? Okay, enough of this, guys. So let's dive in. So now we all know Python is an interpreted language. So for our code to be run or for in order to run our code, we need an interpreter, right? So we need to download it. And we download it from Python Software Foundation from the python.org, right? When we download it, we are actually not downloading a piece of translator or the machine or interpreter as we call it, and they might be not written in the same Python language. It may be written in many other languages, for example, C, Java, etc. So this Python, we have C Python, which has been written in C programming language or a mixture of C and Python. It's not just Python itself. And for example, we have this Iron Python, which is written for the .NET framework. We have Jython for the Java platform, which is written again in Java and Python. We have the stackless Python, which is again a combination of C and Python. We have PyPy. This is this has been written in Python. So all these are different interpreters which can be downloaded and we can run our Python programs in it, right? So what we are downloading is just a piece of machine for our code to be translated into the machine code and then just give the result, right? So now we know that in order to write a Python code, we can download any number of interpreters, right? We have CPython, which is a combination of C language and Python. We have Jython, which is a combination of Java and Python. We have Iron Python, which is for the .NET framework. We have Stackless Python, which is again a combination of C language and Python. And then we have PyPy, which is written in the same Python language itself, right? So this is a few examples, guys. We have n number of interpreters to download. And in the next video onwards, we are gonna write or start off with a Python code, guys. So hope you all enjoyed this. And please subscribe and turn notifications. And what next? Do like, share and comment. Stay tuned, guys.